Okay, this question here wants me to look at the following. So let's look at E, and let's look how we calculate something when we've got decimals being divided by something. So what we'll do is we have a look at basically our normal division type rules. So we have 4.713 divided by 3. What we're going to do here is we're going to put our decimal above the decimal in what we're dividing by. So our decimal up here in our answer matches where our decimal lies down here, so they're vertically above one another. I then think, okay, I have 4 and I divide it by 3 and it goes in one time. Okay, I then go 1 by 3 is 3, so I write that down there. I then go 4 take 3 and it gives me 1. I then bring this 7 down here, okay, and then what I do is I look at 17 divided by 3, okay, and that gives me my answer up here. So 17 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, I then do 5 times 3 gives me 15. And I then take those two away from one another like I did up here, so I take those two away and I get 2. I then bring that 1 down to the bottom down here, and then I go 21 divided by 3 gives me 7. 7 by 3 is 21. I then take those away from one another to get 0. I then bring that 3 all the way down here, okay, and I end up with 3 divided by 3 is 1. I have 1 times 3 gives me 3. I take those away from one another and I end up with 0 as my remainder. So I now know that this is my answer up here. Okay, and so that's my answer of 1.571 is my answer. Okay.